My dear friends, are you looking for best free WordPress theme for your consulting and coaching business? Then you are in the right place. My name is Rakesh. I'm going to show you how to create this kind of beautiful website for your consulting and coaching business using a free WordPress theme. Okay, and next 2 minutes I will reveal which kind of theme I was using for it. Okay, and as you can see, I'm going to show you complete this kind of website. Okay, you doesn't have to do any kind of coding, any kind of designing work. Just need to drag and drop. Okay, and customize all these things customize all these things demo content by yourself and add your own content. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's get started, friends. Okay, and friends, I'm let me just show you that for this kind of theme, making this website, I'm going to use theme called Astra. It's one of the most popular themes in the world. Okay, Astra trusted by many websites and has really amazing reviews. Okay, and it's completely customizable, compatible with all your page builder, WooCommerce, LearnRash, EOS SEO, and many plugins. And it's lightweight, so it doesn't have any issue with your speed, your performance with your SEO. It's completely amazing theme. It's okay, and it comes with a lot of templates, so you can able to customize all these things by yourself. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, how it is doing. Okay, and this theme is completely a responsive friend. Okay, as I can show you this theme. Okay, it's completely mobile friendly. Okay, so you doesn't have to any worry about how it look in mobile. Okay, so let me show you in just minutes how can you install this theme. Okay, step by step. Okay, first you have to go to your dashboard and first complete your installation step. Okay, and after the installation step you can see something like and come to your dashboard. Now we have to install a theme. Okay, for the installing theme you just need to come to your appearance, themes, and click on add new. In this search tab you have to type call Astra, ASTRA, Astra. Okay, and as you can see I already installed this theme. You just need to install the theme and just click on activate. Okay, and after that during this step if you add install this theme and activate it, you have to come. Okay, and just install one plugin called starter templates. Okay, just come to plugins and click on again add new and install a plugin called starter template. This is the plugin that we needed for importing those demo templates. Okay, so that we can able to make our website more faster without doing any kind of designing work. Okay, started. Okay, you can see that the first one starter templates. Okay, as you can see I already installed it. Okay, just click on install it and activate it. Okay, this is one simple. Okay, just like this install it button, you can see that just install it and activate it. Okay, after doing this task you have to come. Okay, you will in appearance you will see something like this. Okay, in your appearance, in this appearance you will something see like this starter templates. Go to the starter templates now. Make sure to, and this if you first time they will show something option to you like select a page builder. At that time please select this page builder called Elementor. Okay, it's like this icon you can see in this in my left right hand side. You can see that this icon, you will see something like this icon Elementor. Make sure that you should select that icon called Elementor. Okay, after doing that you will see something seen like this. Okay, and here all your starter templates you're going to show. Okay, and here in this all tab we have to type called free. Okay, it doesn't need to have any need to purchase any premium one. We just need to filter out free version. Okay, and go down you'll see something like this. Okay, that we want to install call this is business control free theme. Okay, free template that we want to install for our business consulting and coaching. Okay, and here you will have to come just need to do import complete site. Okay, they will do some small survey. I'm a beginner. Okay, just type anything for myself and just click on next. Okay, don't okay, want to add your email address, just go ahead, otherwise just skip it. Okay, and it will take some 2 minutes to install it. Just wait for till. Okay, Don't close this window, just wait for it's importing all your content, all your media, all those things for you. Okay, you can see that it's completely imported completely. Just need to click on view site. And as you can see, when the magic happens, you have successfully created your website for your consulting in just a few minutes. Okay, now your job is just need to customize all these things by yourself. Okay, just need to add your menus, add your contents, add your text. Okay, and this also I'm going to show you how you can able to do this. Okay, and if we go in Fiverr or Upwork, this for making this kind of theme you have to charge more than $200, but I'm going to show you this is one of the easy and simple way. Okay, now you have see that all these things are completely same. Okay, now we have to just edit everything by yourself. Okay, for editing these pages we just need to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, let me just open it, new tab, edit with Elementor. You just click on this edit with Elementor, so it will open that tab in Elementor, so that we can able to customize everything by ourselves. Okay, and same thing you can able to do by for all the pages. Just open own by pages, like about us page, just click on this pages, like about page, click on these pages and open them one by one in Elementor. Okay, you need to just customize. Okay, just click on this button, edit with Elementor, just open this page like this. Okay, so that you can able to customize all this thing by yourself, add your images, add your text, everything you can able to add from here. Okay, and as you can see, this is a beautiful themes comes with a beautiful header section like work with me, menus, and many more things. Okay, this time these kind of things you will not going to get anywhere. Okay, you may show that it's open or not. Elementor, it's opening now. After clicking on this button, friends, edit the Elementor, it will open something screen like this. Okay, this is Elementor. Okay, drag and drop builder, everything that you want to upload or download. Okay, add anything like this. If you want anything in this section, you can add here. You can add on this page. Okay, but you don't have to do anything design things or anything. Okay, you just need to change your basic thing, like you have to change your name from here. Just click on this pencil icon. You can see that if I hover on any section, it will show me icon of editing. Okay, just click on this edit. Okay, here I will now add my name Rakesh. You can add your name, your agency name, whatever you want to add. Okay, you see that you want to change this one, just click on this edit with. Okay, add your text, helping you create website. Lot of spelling mistake, but don't worry. Okay, I just showing you in demo. Okay, just quick. Okay, just need to add your text. Okay, and you can just add here, you can also add your own text or anything you want. Okay, let me show you this button. Okay, you want to just add this button also. Okay, now change to like let's work together. You want to add like book free consultation. Okay, can add this link. You can add link to your contact us page, contact. Okay, when you click on this, they will go to your contact us page, and this is very simple, friends. As you can able to change all this thing by yourself. Just click on this all this icon and change your add your own content, add your own images. What do you have to do? Let me just show you that. Okay, like if you want to add this images, I just want to remove this images. I want to add my own images. I just click on this. Okay, and just click on this image, choose image, go to upload images, and just select your image that you want to have. Go to your PC, add your image. You can just drag and drop here also. Okay, want to add, but I don't have any images. Okay, you can just go to your PC, add your images, and drag and drop files here. Okay, and here, if any image that you added, you will see all the images will be here. Okay, in this media library, you are going to show you all these images will going to here. Okay, so you can able to customize all this by yourself. Okay, let me just select this images for you. Okay, insert media. You can see that I just replace this images here. So similar kind of these things you can able to customize all the thing by yourself. Okay, Just do all the changes by yourself and make your website more beautiful and everything. Okay, and after doing all these things, you can just click on update. Okay, and if you want to see how it looks or want to customize all this in this responsive mode, like how you want it to look, it's in a mobile or tablet version, or just click on this responsive mode and you will see something like this. Okay, you need to click on this. It will open as all this in a mobile version. Okay, in a mobile also you can able to customize all this thing by yourself. You can just click on okay here. Okay, and also you can able to customize all this by yourself and see how it looks in mobile and tablet. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, friends, and you got an best free theme for your custom business and consulting. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, thank you. And okay, and press that bell icon so that you will not miss my next new videos. Bye bye, thank you.